Hi, my name is Mark Simpson. I'm from Dicker Data, and today we're running the Networking for Success hands-on lab training course in conjunction with DAS.
Today is a great turnout. People is very keen for our master class.
The great thing about Networking for Success is that it brings us all together. It helps us grow, helps us educate ourselves, and that brings success in itself.
We can all come in as a bit of a community. We all love getting into the depths and the nitty-gritty of IT and networking.
I find myself, I learn a lot better getting a hands-on approach. It's good to see the theory, but actually being able to put it into practice has been very beneficial for me, yeah.
There's actually heaps of benefits in this. It gives you a pretty good understanding of IPs and like networking and switching.
Something like this should be an essential part of learning.
I'd absolutely recommend coming to these events. You know, we've got all these reps that are providing all this experience and training for us. That is awesome.
I would love to do more of these events. I think when we're gelling together and creating these events, it's always a great opportunity to network.
Empower our security installer with hands-on training is vital for our industry standard. As Dicker Data does, we pride ourselves on being able to support our customers throughout the world of connectivities.